Alrighty, currently got the nozzle up to 200, okay, because this sucker wouldn't come off. I thought, hey, maybe if I flip the build plate over, but that caused it to bend, warp, and and the nozzle didn't stick. So this green glob is something I pulled off. Okay, as you can see, that's not very good looking. Yeah, that's where all the heater end was in and everything. It was not good. And now if I pan upwards, this is what remains so far. See if I can focus it. There we go. Okay. It's not looking good for it. Okay. So the overall goal, I do believe, would be to eventually scrape everything out. Slowly but surely, and eventually it should just kind of clean out. And again, this is at 200 degrees, so I am not jamming my fingers up in there. I am using my handy little screwdriver, which has, well, it's I believe Phillips, or flathead anyways. Phillips, I believe, is the 4-end one. Yeah, that's right. Anyways, I am going to be scraping at this for quite some time. Put this back in there to heat up again. As you can tell, it instantly heats it up because you can see me scraping it off despite it being curled over. Oh, there's the rubber piece that broke off. Yeah. If I can just get that to come off. There we go. I should be able to just leave that there. It'll just run down. But the rubber piece that comes over the top of this, yeah, that's, yeah. So, oh, there it goes. Yep. I'm just gonna chuck that up in there. There we go. Well, yeah, it's still toast. So, this, however, is probably salvageable. The more messed up part is that I could probably touch this, yep. And then I go and, oh, right, yes, I almost forgot the most important part. I gotta remove this melted piece of junk. It's a zombie movie. There we go. Okay. Oh, there's some decent force on there. Now I should be able to touch it. Just be careful not to touch the hot end in there. There we go. Okay. I should have it cleaned up enough to where I can reach up in here and potentially, no, it is still caked in. Oh yeah, that is super caked in there. This is really stupid. This is really stupid. I'm prying it off when it's hot. Not hot enough to melt the plastic, but hot enough to where it's just not gonna budge. Anyways, stay tuned for next part. Hopefully I'll have it cleaned.